name's Freeman and I'm the Legal and Compliance Manager at Aerobotics. So I'm the in-house lawyer, which means I draft all of the company contracts and I make sure that everybody's legally compliant, the company's legally compliant. So I make sure that there's good corporate governance processes in place, and we'll deal with anything legal that comes up, pretty much. I joined on the 8th of April this year, so it's been about 3.5 months. I don't really have a typical day at work. I feel like every day is very different. Things pop up, but I would definitely be drafting something, some kind of contract or letter, or answering a lot of emails. That's definitely involved in my typical day. I think at the moment I'd become an expert software developer or like a coder so that I could understand what the tech team does. So the most important thing to me in life is probably family. I just think that you always need to be around people you love and who love you, and yeah, I think family makes you happy. It can drive you crazy but make you happy, so definitely the most important. If I could only eat one fruit for the rest of my life, it would probably be an avocado, because it's very versatile. You can put avo on anything.